The exterior boasts clean lines, a minimalist aesthetic, and a striking contrast of natural wood and sleek, dark metal. Large, expansive windows dominate the facade, maximizing natural light and blurring the boundaries between inside and outside. A cascading water feature adds a touch of tranquility to the entryway, creating an immediate sense of calm and sophistication. The interior mirrors this balance, with open-plan living spaces that flow effortlessly from one area to the next. Natural light floods the interior, highlighting the sustainable materials used throughout, such as bamboo flooring and recycled glass countertops. A central courtyard, complete with a small zen garden, acts as a natural air conditioner and a focal point for indoor-outdoor interaction. The bedrooms are designed as private sanctuaries, each with its own ensuite bathroom and access to private balconies. The master suite is a luxurious retreat, featuring a spacious walk-in closet, a soaking tub with stunning views, and a private patio perfect for morning coffee. The kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and an oversized island perfect for both cooking and socializing. The unique blend of materials, the innovative use of space, and the emphasis on natural light make this design truly one of a kind. It's a testament to the power of modern architecture to create spaces that are both beautiful and functional, reflecting the needs and aspirations of contemporary living.